Okay. Hello, we're the cast of the Amelia Gething Complex.
I can't do that.
Clicking fingers. Lovely.
This is the tour of the set.
Oh, the continuity fruit bowl.
Yeah, this is our continuity fruit bowl with
that
lovely, yummy plastic fruit.
One of the biggest scene stealers. Yeah. Always creeping in.
We've got a pineapple. There's lots of pineapples in the show. I don't know why, it just kind of happened.
Happens.
This is actually a reference to the inside of my brain in one of the scenes where we film it here, and it's kind of like lots of different versions of myself talking to one another. Oh, this is the tweed
sketches, isn't it?
Tweed living room. We haven't actually filmed the sketch yet, but we're about to.
And there's chocolate eclairs on the on the set.
You're not allowed to eat the prop.
Which is always good.
I don't like chocolate eclairs very much.
Really lovely done.
This is part of in the flat we have the same furniture, but this is kind of like, right now we're filming a scene that's kind of a weird void version of it. So this wall is in the living room, this is in the kitchen, this is in the living room kitchen, and then, but they've kind of like been morphed into some weird black space.
Yeah.
This morning we were shooting the coat dungeon, still got top in my mouth, and we had loads of people in morph suits wearing
Walking around in coats.
Walking around, and it was so surreal.
Because everything was, they were fully in morph suits, including their face. It was just coats.
So they're floating around.
Very funny.
It's a really weird show.
And
In case you didn't know.
we're about to do what's that thing called?
Conga.
We're about to do a congo. Conga or
Conga.
Conga.
Do you not know the word conga?
Yeah.
We're about to do conga. Yeah.
We're about to do one of those
We're about to
through space,
New York.
New York.
Pisa.
Pisa.
And
The Coat Cave.
the coat cave. Coat dungeon.
Luckily, we've all been training for past year.
Limbering up.
Let's conga upstairs and we'll show you the upstairs.
Hold on, you got this.